From onshore to offshore, LoneStar Fasteners have built a reputation for working with some of the world's largest OEM manufacturers of wind turbines. From bespoke components and client-specific requirements to nacelle bolting and drivetrain fasteners, hub to blade bolting, tower and transition bolting, foundation systems including floating applications, with a diverse range of materials for all environments, manufacturing to the highest standards demanded by today's most critical applications. Don't compromise. Ensure the unrivaled durability of the materials and components for your next project. Visit lsfe.com today.